Hey guys, welcome back to the Blissful Athlete. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you're interested in learning on how to develop a yogic body, live a conscious lifestyle, and really elevate your life to its highest potential. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about gratitude, something I haven't really done a ton, and something that I should be really, because it was such an important and integral part of my spiritual growth when I first really started to awaken. Like a lot of people, I came across the documentary The Secret, and when I started to learn the science of it and how we're these atoms all mixed up together, and that we vibrate at a certain frequency, and the highest frequency possible is gratitude, and because of the law of attraction, whatever frequency you're at, you're attracting that reality. That was all very interesting to me, especially because I'm so logical and I needed that understanding, and so I really started to practice gratitude. And one story that I really want to share with this is just how powerful gratitude is, in that it affects the reality around you. It was actually while I was in Alaska. I was playing ice hockey at the time, and when I'd come across The Secret, I was very interested in that gratitude attracts more things to be grateful for. And so I would constantly be practicing meditation on gratitude, or just feeling grateful and just feeling that vibration. And one day I was walking out, it was a beautiful clear blue sky day, pure white snow on the ground. I went for a walk in a park and there was nobody else around, frozen lake. I started walking out onto the lake and through the lake and into a forest, and it opened up and there was just this beautiful open field, trees all around, but not a person in sight. And I just stood there and I wanted to feel that vibration. I just stood and I tried to feel as grateful as I could. I tried to get as big of a smile as I could. I felt that feeling, that sensation, the vibration, the frequency. And I stood there for like 5-10 minutes, and after some time, I see in the distance, like 3 football fields away, all of a sudden this crow flies away, or flies towards me from out beneath that forest. And as it flew, it came and then dove right down, right above me, until it was about 15 feet above me, and it just started circling around me continuously, and it was just going bah, bah, bah. And every time it did that, it did it like 4 or 5 times. Every time it did that, I was just in awe. It came out of nowhere, flew right down below me, and then just started circling me, and I couldn't help but feel like it was like that signal from the raven, the spiritual guides, telling me like, hey, what you're doing is right. And after it circled me for some time, it just went up and then it just flew off again. And I was just like in awe. I was like, oh my God, like that only happened because I'm just standing here feeling like an intense vibration of feeling grateful. And it was really one of my first and most powerful spiritual experiences. And it might not seem like much, but oh my goodness, it was one of those things that really led me down the right path, and something I'm so glad that I came across is The Secret and started to implement, because one, it made my life like so much better, like actually living in the space of gratitude, and two, it really aligned me to the idea that, look, we're living in a spiritual world. Like, I used to live in a very logical state where God did not exist. I was atheist, like full on, and all of a sudden I started to have this awakening that, okay, something else is going on here. And so really what I want to share with this story is that it's, even if you believe in spirituality, believe in The Secret, that you're attracting more things, during that time when I can say that I've never been so focused on gratitude more than that period of time, and I really want to bring that back. But during that period of time, it was such a blissful life. I mean, I have so much to be grateful of being here living with my guru, and I am still living blissfully. But at that moment when I didn't have a guru, when I really wasn't spiritual, gratitude was my gift. Gratitude was like my connection to the divine, and it was so powerful. And so with this video today, I really just want to inspire you to be in the space of gratitude, to practice a gratitude meditation at least once a day, and just feel the benefits, feel how good it is, and I'm telling you, you're going to experience something incredible. So please do that. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are going to do that. Pick a time of day and you stick to it. Be integrated to it. Use integrity as your power there to make that happen. And if you ever get frustrated throughout the day, just try and bring yourself back to that space of gratitude as much as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And please subscribe if you have not yet done so. I love sharing this type of stuff with you. If you have any other concerns or questions about my personal lifestyle, I love sharing that with you too. So thanks for watching, guys. Much appreciated. Take care, and as always, be blissful.